What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue, Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. And listen, people, if you see me on your screens, you know there is a God-given message that has been divinely sent to you. Like I said, this message is from God through my mouth to your ears. And that message today, chosen ones, and I hope you stay through the whole video to get the message and apply the message. That's the most important thing. But listen, God told me to tell you, your pain isn't hurt. Your pain is the passport to your dreams. Why you say that, Sinashti? I'll tell you why I say that right now. Listen, chosen ones, the divinity you have inside of you is something that is not common amongst the normal folks out here. You get what I'm saying? You have the ability to turn your dreams into a reality. You get what I'm saying? Not everybody on this so-called earth could do that. You get what I'm saying? Some people, they don't even have an inner dialogue. Some people can't even see and visualize in their head, chosen ones. You get the superpower that you have? You get it? The point that I'm making in this video is your pain will never go in vain. I promise you. Your pain does not go in vain. Due to the simple fact that in order for anything to grow, it needs to go through pain. You get what I'm saying? You have to have pain in your life in order for growth. Anybody that was born, their mother had to go through the most excruciating pain in order for them to be birthed, correct? True. If you want to beautify your body, you have to go to the gym day in, day out and go through pain, correct? Pain is an ingredient that you use to manifest your desires. You get what I'm saying? What I like to say is your pain is the fuel you throw on the fire to your desires. You get what I'm saying, chosen one? Oh, listen up. I've been through a lot of pain in my life. And if you're watching to the point of this video, I know you've been through a lot of pain also. And you're probably going through some pain right now sitting watching this video. But mark my words, like I said, your pain cannot go in vain, chosen one. It's what you choose to do with your pain that will make the difference. True or false? What you do with your pain will make the difference, chosen one. I know you hear the stories of any artist who has to go through so much pain in order to put that pain into a story so people could understand the story and people could reflect on their own lives and, you know, make the adjustments that they need to. You know what I'm saying? To make things happen. You need that spark of pain to make a spark of creativity. Like I'm telling you, you have to know what to do with your pain, chosen ones, because regardless of what, you're gonna feel pain. In this life is like a merry-go-round. You get what I'm saying? There's always your ups and your downs. You get what I'm saying? Regardless of what, you're always gonna have that up and down. The pain is gonna come no matter what. So what you do with your pain is very vital. You have to make sure you know what you're doing with your pain and how you're using it, how you're utilizing it in your life. You get what I'm saying, chosen one? Everything is just energy out here. Your pain is no difference. Energy is everywhere. You know, it's all around us. It's in us, around us. It's what creates reality. And like I said, chosen ones, your pain can manifest your dreams, or it can manifest your nightmares, whichever one you want, because you're probably living in your nightmare right now. If you're watching to the point of this video, I know you are in your nightmare right now. Feel me? I'm just a Freddy Krueger in your dream trying to get you up out of there. Listen, I've been through the pain myself. I'm still in a little bit of pain, but guess what? I'm on here revealing my pain. I'm putting a face to my pain. You get what I'm saying? So somebody can relate and hopefully make a decision to change whatever they gotta change. Maybe change their perspective of how their pain is affecting them. You get what I'm saying? All pain is the same, right? No matter if you got somebody cheated on you, somebody died, you got fired, somebody stole something from you, that pain is just, you feel it. It's just there. You get what I'm saying? It's what you do with that pain, chosen one. And I hope after this video, somebody could take these words and make something out of the pain that they're going through. You get what I'm saying? I know it's not easy, chosen ones. I know. God knows it's not easy too. He knows it's chaos down here. But he made people like us to come on here, share their story, and others to relate, and like I said, make the decisions to change whatever perception of life they have to change. Whatever perception of pain they gotta change. I had to change my perception of pain. I went through pain day in, day out, doing hard labor jobs, labor intensive jobs, being single, having no family, having no friends, zero friends. You get what I'm saying? So I had nobody to talk to but myself and God. And then I made a community where people could relate. Chosen one, like I'm telling you. Today is the day you make the decision to not let that pain, direct the choices you make in your life. Nothing in this external environment should dictate your emotional stance internally. You get what I'm saying? Anything that causes you pain, you know, either physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, anything that causes you that pain, you need to be able to quiet the mind, calm the mind. You get what I'm saying? Use the mind for what it's needed for. You know what I'm saying? Use the mind for what it's needed for. You don't need it to make sense of the pain. No, you need it. You don't need to use your mind during the pain. You feel the pain and you're letting you release the pain, whichever way you do it, you know? Even if you got to do meditations or you got to do affirmations, anything you got to do to release that pain. Normally what I do is when I feel pain, I just sit there. Literally just sit there. I try to shut my brain off and I sit there. I don't dwell on what is causing me the pain. No, I just sit there, wait 10-15 minutes, and the feeling will pass. The feeling will pass. We are energetic beings, and energy is always in motion. Energy is always in a perpetual state of flux. You get what I'm saying? So if you want to harbor the pain and grieve over the pain and think about the pain all day long, you're going to be stuck in that pain, manifesting the pain over and over and over again until you're able till you have the ability to conquer how the pain makes you, how the pain makes you act and react in situations. Pain, like I said, is just an energy that needs to be felt and wants to flow. You get it? Like a little stream like this. You see this stream right here? The stream is going, passing through the rocks and everything. You know, no obstructions. Same thing with your pain. Let your pain flow like the stream, with no obstructions. You see the rocks are there, but it goes right through the rocks. You don't see the rocks crying and complaining. No, you sit there and the pain will pass, just like any other emotion. I'm telling you, I'm living proof. And if you're watching to the point of this video, you know what I'm talking about. Let me know in the comment section if you know what I'm talking about. Hit the like button too, eh? Subscribe to the channel if you like the character also. Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself, huh? I've been rambling for 10 minutes, and I hope you like the message, and I hope you can apply the message, you know? I hope I made sense. And if you like the message, like I said, just hit the like button. It's not hard. It's not hard. It's free. And that's the way we can get the message out to other chosen ones. You get what I'm saying? All right, I'm about to do the outro. I hope somebody's still watching. Praise God, and also praise the almighty algorithm. It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself. Voila.